This tutorial is how to do a couple of different quick and easy things in Google Docs that might help save you time. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is if I want all of the rest of these cells to say forces in motion, because they all go with the forces in motion book, I'm just going to click on forces in motion, grab the corner, and drag down until I'm at my last cell that I want to say forces in motion, and it's just going to fill it in automatically for me, so I don't have to do copy and paste or anything like that. So the same is true here. I want all of these cells to say a 2 because it's all chapter 2. So I'm going to just click and drag it down and it'll fill it in for me. Same thing with chapter 3. Click and drag and it's going to fill it in. You can also have it number for you if you don't want to go down and type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or even multiples. So if I go 1, click on the cell, type in a 1, a 2, a 3, and then I want it just to continue to count by ones. I highlight those cells and I drag it down and it's going to count by ones until I get to where I want to be. You can do the same thing with 2, 4, 6. Click and drag the 2, 4, 6. It's going to continue to count by 2s. So that's just a quick way instead of always typing in those numbers. We don't really need that column. I was just showing you how to do it. So I'm going to delete it. I'm going to delete that column right now. I'm going to give it back. Okay, another thing that I want to show you is in case if you don't want this column to be this big, you only want it to be as big as your numbers, you can click up here and there's an arrow will show up, and if you double click, it'll make that fit the biggest thing in that cell. So it'll widen it or shorten it to whatever the biggest thing is. For example, in this one, if I look at the narrowed necked glass bottles, I don't know if it'll work because I have text on, so there you go. It'll see how it's expanded it out so that all my materials I can see, they don't overlap. Okay, so the other thing that I want to show you, because I think hopefully we'll be using this a lot, is sorting the data. So one thing that's, I'm going to delete this column just to get it out of here because we really don't need it. One thing that's important when you sort data or when you want things, and it can sort by numerical value, it can sort by alphabetical value, so it's kind of up to you. Do the command Apple A so that you get all of your spreadsheet. If you don't do that, the things that are on the right hand side over here, if you just like grab like the first 3, this won't carry over with this. So you want to make sure you have all your data captured, and you can tell that by the blue box that it's going on right here. I come up to data, I go to sort range. Okay, in this case I'd given my data titles, so I said unit and chapter investigation, so I need to click on this box that the data has a header row. If you just started putting stuff in, your data would not have. And in this case I really want to sort by item needed because I want to see what we need and have it in order. So I'm going to click on item needed. If I wanted to also then sort it by the unit that it's needed, excuse me, the unit right here, I can add that. I can add as many qualities as I want. If I want it alphabetical, I make sure this is clicked. If I want it Z to A, I make sure that that is clicked. Okay, so I'm going to sort, and you can see that it has now put everything in alphabetical order for me. And there's aluminum foil, so forces and nature comes first, then nature of matter because of the alphabetical order. So those are just a few things I wanted to show you as we're using Google Docs. The other question was, do I have to save it ever? No, just always kind of look up here after you've done something to make sure it says all changes saved in Drive. So I hope this helps. I'm going to send it to you guys. You can review it as you need to. Let me know if there's something else you want me to show you. Thanks.